There's a truth about wealth and happiness that most people never learn. A truth so simple, yet so powerful, that the moment you understand it, your entire life shifts. And the truth is this: your income will never exceed your level of personal development. Not for long. You might get lucky for a moment. You might stumble into a big opportunity. Someone might even put $1 million in your hands. But unless you grow into the kind of person who knows how to keep it, multiply it, and protect it, it will disappear. Because wealth is not something you pursue. Wealth is something you attract by the person you become. And happiness? It's not something you wait for. It's not something you find. It is something that grows inside you when you transform yourself from the inside out. The first lesson: work harder on yourself than you do on your job. This is what most people get wrong. They spend their lives working harder on their job than they work on themselves. They hustle. They grind. They sacrifice time, energy, health, yet the income stays the same. The happiness stays the same. The life stays the same. Why? Because the job is not the source. You are. If you want to be wealthy and happy for the rest of your life, you must learn the lesson that changes everything. Work harder on yourself than you do on anything else. When you grow, your income grows, your opportunities grow, your confidence grows, your happiness grows. Life doesn't get better by chance. Life gets better by change, and that change starts inside you. The real problem is never money. It's a lack of ideas. There was a time when I had nothing. No money, no options, no direction. And like most people, I thought money was the problem. But then a mentor told me something that shook me. Lack of money is never the problem. The real problem is lack of ideas. And I realized he was right. Because ideas are the seeds of wealth. Ideas are the blueprints of a new life. Ideas are what transform ordinary people into extraordinary individuals. If you get the right idea, you can change anything. Your finances, your relationships, your future, your entire destiny. But to get ideas, you must study. You must study wealth if you want wealth. Study happiness if you want happiness. Study success if you want success. Most people cross their fingers and hope life works out. But hope is not a strategy. Wishing is not a plan. Study is the path. Power of learning, reading, listening, observing. If you want to change your life, you must do what successful people do. 1. Read less. Because self-education creates millionaires. Every successful person I know is a reader, not because they're smarter, but because they're curious. They want to know more. They want to grow more. They want to become more. In just one book, you might discover a lesson that saves you 5 years of your life, 5 years of mistakes, 5 years of confusion. Read 30 minutes a day, not for entertainment, for transformation. Read something positive, instructional, inspirational, challenging every day. Because repetition, reading, reviewing, rewriting plants ideas deep into your mind where they grow into habits, skills, and actions. And those actions eventually show up in your bank account. 2. Listen because success speaks. Get around people who are doing better than you. And listen. Listen to how they talk, how they think, how they make decisions, how they solve problems. You can learn from successful people, and you can learn from unsuccessful people. Find out what the unsuccessful read and don't read it. Find out what the unsuccessful do and don't do it. One dinner with the right person can drop an idea into your life that multiplies your income. Never be too proud to pay for wisdom. Never be too stubborn to listen. 3. Observe. Because success leaves clues. Watch how successful people carry themselves, their confidence, their discipline, their consistency. Watch their body language, watch their habits, watch their rituals. Because success is not random, success is patterned, success is repeated. If someone is earning $10,000 a month, study them, study everything, even how they walk. Why? Because when you begin to act like the person you want to become, you move closer to becoming that person. That you begin to attract what they attract. Think how they think. Live how they live. Seeing with your eyes is good, but learning to see with your mind, that changes everything. Aldurb the moment of decision. So let me ask you, what are you going to do starting tomorrow that will change the direction of your life? Not next year? Not someday. Tomorrow. If you do nothing, the next 5 years will look exactly like the last 5. But if you change something, a habit, a routine, an idea, a belief, a discipline, the next 5 years can become unrecognizable. Any day you choose, you can rewrite your whole story. And that choice begins with you. This is only the beginning. In part 2, we go deeper into discipline, action, and the mindsets that separate the wealthy from the poor and the fulfilled from the frustrated. If part 1 was the awakening, then part 2 is the transformation. Because once you understand how life works, once you see the truth behind success and happiness, there's only one thing left to do. You must go to work on yourself. Not tomorrow, not next month. Not when life gets easier, but now, because the gap between where you are and where you want to be isn't time. It isn't talent. It isn't luck. It's action. Consistent, disciplined, personal action. The second step, go to work. If there is something in life you should get excited about, it's this. Your ability to make yourself do the necessary things. That is the power that changes everything. Because on any given day, you can decide to change your entire life direction. One moment of courage, one moment of discipline, one decision that says, enough, I'm done living below my potential. And everything starts to shift. But discipline doesn't begin with the big things. The big things come later. Discipline begins with the small, almost invisible actions. The ones no one applauds, no one sees, and no one celebrates. These small actions build the muscle you need for bigger challenges. They are the foundation of a wealthy life, a happy life, a powerful life. Is the power of small disciplines. Have you ever noticed how people dream big, but act small? They talk about changing their life, but won't change their morning routine. They want a new future, but keep repeating the same habits. They want wealth, but avoid the small daily disciplines that create it. Here is the truth. You cannot handle the big rewards if you can't handle the small responsibilities. Make a list of what you can do, not what you hope to do, not what you might do, what you can do today. And then do it every single day, not perfectly, but consistently. Because each small discipline creates a new identity, a stronger foundation, a more powerful version of you. And when life eventually hands you something big, you'll be ready. You'll have the muscle. You'll have the mindset. You'll have the courage. Self-motivation. The only real kind people often say, I wish someone would motivate me. I wish someone would push me. I wish someone would turn me on. But here's the truth no one wants to hear. Self-motivation is the only kind of motivation that works. If you wait for someone else to fire you up, your life will stay cold. If you wait for someone else to save you, you'll stay stuck. If you wait for inspiration, you'll wait forever. You must learn to act even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it, because motivation doesn't come before action. Motivation is created by action. Once you take the first step, once you start moving, once you build momentum, your mind wakes up, your energy rises, your purpose returns. Motion creates emotion. Action builds motivation. Discipline builds confidence. That's why wealthy people stay wealthy. That's why happy people stay happy. They don't wait for motivation, they create it. Learning means nothing without action. There is something most people don't understand. Knowledge is not power. Action is. Learning without action makes you smart but stuck. Knowledge without execution makes you wise but broke. Information without discipline makes you inspired but unchanged. Don't let your learning lead to nothing. Let your learning lead to action. Let your action lead to results. And let your results lead to transformation. Because action is the bridge between who you are and who you want to be. The danger of cutting corners. Now there's a warning you must hear, because it might save you years of pain. Don't try to beat the system. Don't try to cheat success. Don't chase shortcuts. Don't look for the easy way. When people learn a little, they start slicing, cutting corners, taking shortcuts, choosing cheap answers, and every time you choose the cheap road, you end up with a cheap life. Success requires the right way, not the fast way. Do the hard work, do the real work, do the honest work, because the right way may take longer, but it lasts longer, and it builds someone stronger. The gifts inside. You are waiting if I could sit down with you one-on-one, just you and me? Here's what I would tell you. There are gifts inside you. There are strengths inside you. There are talents you haven't touched yet. Abilities you haven't unlocked yet. Potential you haven't even seen yet. And they are waiting. Waiting for you to reach deeper. Push harder and believe bigger. You don't have to live the next 5 years the way you lived the last 5. You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to settle. Any day you choose, you can change. But you must choose. You must wake up tomorrow with one powerful question. What can I do today that will make a difference in my life? Because if you don't change something tomorrow, nothing changes. Your life stays the same. Your results stay the same. Your future stays the same. But if you make one shift, one decision, one new discipline, your entire life can move in a new direction. And that power is yours. We've talked about understanding how life works. We've talked about the power of discipline, of ideas, of daily actions. But in this final part, we go deeper into the mindset that separates people who only wish for success from people who create it. Because the truth is simple. Before you build wealth on the outside, you must build wealth on the inside. Before you live a happy life, you must build a happy mind. Everything begins within. The mindset of a wealthy person. There's a difference between a person who attracts wealth and a person who chases it. A difference between a person who is happy and a person who is constantly searching for it. That difference is mindset. A wealthy mindset doesn't say, I need more money. It says, I need to become more valuable. A wealthy mindset doesn't say, I hope something good happens. It says, I create good things by becoming a better version of myself. A wealthy mindset doesn't say life is unfair. It says, life is responding to the person I am becoming. This mindset is what allows a person to rise from nothing and build everything. The truth about happiness. There's something else most people misunderstand. Happiness is not contained in what you get. Happiness is contained in what you become. Money can buy comfort, security, choice, opportunity, but it cannot buy meaning. It cannot buy purpose. It cannot buy inner peace. Happiness grows from becoming someone you're proud of, someone strong, someone disciplined, someone capable, someone who keeps promises to themselves. When you grow, your happiness grows with you. So if you want to be both rich and happy, focus on becoming the kind of person who naturally creates wealth and naturally attracts joy. The courage to rebuild your life. Here's a truth most people never hear. You can rebuild your life at any age. You can start over at 20, at 30, at 40, at 50, at 70. It does not matter. Life doesn't lock you out. It only waits for you to step in. You are not too late. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are simply one decision away from a new direction. But it takes courage. Courage to face your weaknesses. Courage to admit your mistakes. Courage to let go of the things that are holding you back. Your fears, your excuses, your old identity. The world around you won't change until the world inside you does. The formula. Become more, earn more, live more. If you want a simple formula for wealth and happiness, here it is. 1. Work on yourself daily. Become wiser. Become stronger. Become more skilled. More disciplined. More consistent. 2. Serve others with value. Wealth flows to people who solve problems, people who help others, people who bring solutions, ideas, leadership, inspiration. 3. Protect your mindset because the world will try to distract you, break your focus, feed your doubts. You must guard your thoughts as seriously as you guard your money. 4. Take action even when you're uncomfortable. The life you want is always hiding behind the actions you avoid. 5. Never stop learning because every new skill creates a new opportunity. Every new lesson creates a new breakthrough. Every new idea creates a new path. This formula works for anyone, any age, any background, any starting point. Because success is not about where you come from. It's about where you're willing to go. The power of one decision. If there's one thing you take from this entire message, let it be this. Your life can change in a single decision. The decision to take responsibility. The decision to stop blaming your past. The decision to stop waiting. The decision to rise. The decision to grow. Do not underestimate the power of one moment of courage. You are one decision away from a better body, a stronger mind, a healthier bank account, a happier spirit, a richer life. One decision can rewrite the next 5 years of your life, and that moment, that decision belongs to you. The final message. So let me leave you with this. You don't have to chase wealth. You don't have to chase happiness. You only have to chase one thing, the best version of yourself. Because when you become more, everything you desire comes to you, wealth flows to you, happiness grows inside you, opportunities appear, people change, life opens. You were not born to be average. You were not born to be stuck. You were not born to live a small life. You were born with gifts, with power, with potential, with purpose, and the world is waiting for you to step into the person you were meant to become. So starting today, work on yourself harder than you work on anything else. Grow your mind, grow your skills, grow your courage, grow your disciplines. Because when you grow, your life grows with you. This is how you become wealthy. This is how you become happy. This is how you transform your entire life. It all starts with you.